Welcome back to my channel, where we unravel the mysteries of coding and technology. In this video we'll discuss a Python code that reads a binary text file like image and other media file. So, stay tuned as I break it down for you. Let's dive right in. This code is all about reading a binary file in Python. It begins with a function called read_file, and here's how it works. We start by defining a function read_file that takes one argument, address, which represents the file path. Inside this function, we use a try_except block. It helps us handle errors gracefully. First, we attempt to open the file specified by address in binary read mode, RB. If the file is successfully opened, we read its contents and store them in the content variable. Finally, we return the content variable, effectively providing the file's data to the caller. But what if something goes wrong? Well, Python has us covered with its error handling. Let's talk about that. In the except block, we have two cases. If the file specified by address is not found, Python raises a file not found error. In this case, we print a message stating that the file doesn't exist. The second case handles any other exception that might occur. It's a general exception catch-all. We print an error message, which includes details about the exception. Now that you've seen the code in action, you might wonder why you'd use this. Let's explore some practical scenarios. Imagine you're building a program that needs to read data from files. This code simplifies the process of reading a file and handling potential errors. Here's a real-world example. Let's say you're working on an image processing application, or you want to read and copy the image so you can store it within a binary text format. You can do it by using this code. Now if you have a file path to an image, just like this one. By using the read_file function, you can easily load the image data and manipulate it in your application. And there you have it. We've broken down this Python code step by step, explaining its purpose and demonstrating how it can be useful in real-world scenarios. Remember, understanding file handling in Python is crucial for anyone looking to work with data or build applications that involve reading files. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more coding insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for joining me in this video. Until next time, happy coding!